On this video here, I'm going to show you how to convert your cryptocurrency on Binance. All right, so to head to here, you just need to go to trade and convert. All right, so this is how you get to convert, and you get to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to convert to the currency that you want to get. All right, but actually I don't recommend this, and I will show you why. Okay, so let's say that I want to withdraw USDT. Let's choose max, and I'm going to choose XLM because I want to withdraw this amount using XLM because I get less gas fees, okay, to withdraw from Binance using XLM. If you don't get what I'm talking about, just check my previous video and you'll understand. Okay, so now click preview conversion, and this is how much you will get if you convert this much USDT. Okay, so now comes the part that I told you that I don't recommend it, even though it says zero fees. This is what I'm talking about. This is the cost of one XLM. All right, so as you can see here, it's 3259. Okay, so if we head to trading, of course we'll say that this one looks a bit confusing, but it's the market. Okay, and this is the amount of one XLM. It's 3253, which is nothing alike. All right, so you will say that I need to refresh, so let's refresh, and this is what I get again, 3260. Let's head back to here, it's 57. All right, so you get to see the amount changes, but this one here, it's always higher than trading here. So what I would recommend is converting using this market to trade. Okay, so it might be confusing to you or something like that, but it's way better for you. Just get to here and see how much it costs in the market, and you get to put that price in here and choose 100%, and you get to buy XLM. All right, so this is the video, pretty simple and easy. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.